gun control. That came from the freaking dead, dude. Oh my god.
It's here.
Did it just say Jody?
This is just
Blair Witch is here. No.
Do you like my burps?
Uh-huh.
I'm talking to the ghost.
I am a fucking demon.
weed joke. It's nice and cool.
Fucking fuck with me.
You keep hearing that same voice.
What the fuck do you know?
Do you keep hearing that same voice though?
Mm-hmm. Guy?
Mm-hmm.
Q! Did you hear that?
I heard
Q. Q for queen. That's right, bitches.
This makes me sad. I want to pick all this up.
We should come back and clean. Do you like my burps?
Oh god.
Do you think they rock? I think my burps fucking rock.
I heard. Mm-hmm. I'm telling you, that's the voice I keep hearing, man. Again.
What's your name, dude? That fucking hurt my throat.
It sounded like it.
No. Yeah? Dude, look at that fucking huge spider.
I know. I've been watching it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I've been watching it.
It's fucking huge.
I mean, it's
Ask
pretty
the question
big.
to a spirit.
I'm sorry, JJ.
It's okay. Don't bother
Dude,
me,
did you guys
It's
like
a
my
girl.
snot rockets?
I like that.
I mean, when was
I
the
didn't
last
know-
time a chick ever snot
I've never
rocket
seen it in
for
my
you?
life. And in
Really?
fact, I thought when you would do it, it would go straight down, but it went.
Do you see this one?
Yeah, I ain't fucking around with my snot rockets.
You see
Dude,
it?
here,
It's
hold
red.
this.
It's red.
Dude, I'm about ready to do a snot rocket.
Really?
Really? Okay.
All right.
Do you mind?
No.
Do you want to see it?
Sure. Let's see how far. See if you can reach to that.
I'm gonna do
That's
straight.
so.
Yeah.
See if you can just.
I'm gonna do both sides.
All right. Dude, that was far as fuck.
That was like a fucking bazooka.
Okay, here goes.
Oh!
The first one went farther.
I wish I had snot. I could do it.
Only in the showers when I'm able to.
Dude, was that awesome?
That was pretty
Okay,
good.
I gotta blow my nose now. I can't handle
I
it.
thought it would go down, but it went out.
To the toilet.